In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make two different types of sniper rifles and a rocket launcher. So first, we'll be starting off with one of the sniper rifles, the simpler one in my opinion. So first, you'll get this Star Wars blaster and this piece, one of these cylinders, and you put it on like this. Wait, like this. You add one of these pieces. Just put it on, and you get this piece there like that. Put this on, and then the scope. Next, I'll be showing you how to make my other sniper rifle. So these are the pieces you will be needing. These pieces. And then so first you get the 1x1 with studs on all sides and put one of these pieces right here. Then you get this, put it right there like that. Put this on. Put this as the barrel. Then get one of these and put it on. Connect the 3 little studs. More like this. And then there. Now I'll be showing you how to make my rocket launcher. So these are the pieces you'll be needing. So first you get this piece. Put this in like that. And there. Now you get these 2 pieces, put them in. Get this. And there you have the rocket launcher. Please like and subscribe, and bye.